Fi wedi dod I Gleddau heddi I siarad â Nick sy'n berchen ar Rudder's Boatyard I weld be yn union maen nhw'n wneud I helpu gyda llygredd yn yr Afon Cleddau. Nick, it's a beautiful day. Where have you brought me? What are we doing here?
It is a lovely day today. So we're at Rudder's Boatyard. We run the boatyard as a normal boatyard, sort of an old school boatyard. We've got yachts and power boats here. So the project itself runs from the boatyard. On the end of the pontoon there we've got oyster hotels, we call them. They're full of oysters, both juvenile and older oysters. And that's part of the monitoring project. When we look up there, there's monitoring how they are in the water. So that's monitoring the water quality, the salinity levels as well. And we're monitoring them in terms of how they're affected by the water quality. But yeah, if we go and have a look at the oyster hotels, and we'll go from...
We'll go and check into the oyster hotels.
Yes. The pollution starts closer to the source of the river. So we want to really see if they can thrive in that area. If they can't thrive up there, the pollution's already too bad and we need to start a bit further down and work up gradually and lower the pollution level overall. But farming is key, like we can't stop farming, it's so important for the area. But farmers are doing as much as they can, especially in the local area here, to actually reduce chemicals that they're using on the fields, which is really good for the long-term sustainability. The shoreline around us, everywhere around us, if you look on the low water springs, the really, really low tides, you'll find oysters still living on the shoreline. You'll also find a lot of empty oyster shells that have died over the years. But the ones that are living show that the water quality is good enough to bring them back, but they just need a boost to start them off again and less pollutions to actually thrive in.
Fascinating. Thank you so much, Nick.
No problem at all.